Hello people, this is Lifestealer.
Hello everyone, so today we are at Jogeshwari, Krishna Benelli, and today we will test ride the best bike, I guess, for the sport touring category right now here in India under 4.5 lakhs, that is 302R. Let's go inside.
Okay people, it's time to ride this new beast with ABS. That is the most important thing about this bike. Yamaha R3, Ninja 300 are don't having ABS, but this bike has it. So it's a perfect touring option, a sports tourer kind of a feel. So yeah, let's fire it up and let's go. Throaty. Thank you Jogeshwari DSK Benelli for giving me this opportunity. This bike really feels big. I guess the odometer wire is taken out on this bike because it's a test ride bike. So we will not able to see how much speed we are doing. Okay.
फास्ट ब्लिंक होईल मग तो ऑन झाला.
अच्छा आता ऑन झालं. ओके ओके ठीक. So guys, this is the ABS symbol and you can turn on and off with this button. So yeah, chalo. Adjustable levers, that is also a positive thing about this bike. And let's go. Mumbai ka traffic. This bike actually feels very comfortable to ride. Oh, hear that sound, man, hear that sound. Guys, गाड़ी में जो torque है, that is huge. Means you can ride this bike on higher gear with a lower speed. So in city traffic you don't have to actually shift again and again. So that is one positive. I don't know actually what's wrong with these mirrors, but we actually tried to fix them properly, but still I'm not able to see that much. I guess the adjustment is not working. On the customer bike this problem will not be there, but because it's a test ride bike, these things may not up to the mark. For the bike of this class, this handling is pretty smooth, guys. Means you can do right and left easily. The steering is very light. Yeah, that's the Mumbai airport, guys. And man, this machine is really very smooth. No vibrations at all till now. Wow. The sitting position is quite comfortable. The seat has that cushioning for long tours. And as per the sitting angle and riding comfort, this bike is as a sports tourer, it's a pretty good bike. The ergonomics are right. I don't know about the cornering and track days on this bike, but for sport touring this is really a good bike. So yeah. That's the Benelli person. ओहो, अबे मेरी डोमिनार है वो, चिल मार, इतना ज़्यादा कॉर्नरिंग ना कर. Yeah, as you can see guys, the filtering through traffic is really good on this bike. You can filter easily. When I brake hard on this bike, I guess because of the wheel length, because of the wheelbase, the length between two tires are pretty huge for the sport touring. The bike actually, the tail do like this, you know. But I don't know why it's happening, because the ABS light is on, and if the ABS is on, that means the rear tire should not skid, right? So hello people, I ride this bike around I guess 15 kilometers till now. The bike performed really very good. Actually I don't know what, but something is wrong with the ABS, so I guess the ABS is turned off right now. I'm not sure though. The bike actually performed really good in Mumbai traffic. No heating issue, that's for sure, I will tell you. The suspension are really good because we Mumbai have some nice potholes in middle of a highway, as you all know. So yes, the bike really performed good till now. Seat height is very low guys. Means you can see smaller person can easily mount on this bike, as the seat height is pretty low. Okay, the turning radius is also good. I don't know why, but I'm liking this bike, especially the sound. And as I'm riding in the city traffic, the clutch is pretty light. Not that light as a slipper clutch, but this bike has really a smooth clutch. In stop and go traffic guys, you do feel that you are shifting a gear, but when you are on the roll, when you are on highway, you won't feel it. And this bike really gives you a big bike feel, because the sound is amazing, the bike length is big, the weight is also quite, I guess around 200, yeah, I guess 200 kgs. But when you are on move, you won't feel it that you are riding a 200 kg bike, because the steering is pretty light. Okay, the real fun actually start after 6000 rpm. Lower down in the rev range there is lots of torque, but bike is not moving, and after 6000 then power comes. Yeah, like this. From 4000 to 6000 the bike actually accelerates smoothly and linearly. The company claimed top speed at around 160, but I'm sure that this bike will easily do around 170, because older TNT 300 also some people have taken it to 165 or 170. As this is a faired bike and this has a nice wind protection, so you can expect the better speed. Good.